Hello students, welcome back. I am Rinkesh sir and today we'll continue with exercise 6.4 of chapter number 4, that is applications of derivatives. In our last video we had completed the first question which included 10 sub questions. Now today let's start with question number 2. Question 2 and 3 both are similar, so I will solve one and the other one you have to solve it by yourself. See question number 2, f of 2.01. You have to find out f of 2 of 01 when fx is given as 4x square plus 5x plus 2. Now f of 2.01 that can be represented as f of 2 plus 0.01. So this is our x and this is our delta x. So what was our formula? F of x plus delta x, that was equal to fx plus delta x into f dash x. So we need to find out f dash x. Here this implies that f dash x will be equal to 8x plus 5. Okay, so now using this formula, f of x, that is 2, plus delta x, that is 0.01, f dash x, that is 2. F of 2, that is 4 into, I will use this fx, 2 square plus 5 into 2 plus 2 plus 0.01 into 8 into 2 plus 5. This will be 4 into 2 square, that is 4 4 is 16 plus 10 plus 2 plus 8 2s are 10, sorry 16 plus 5, that is 21. So 0.01 into 21. So 16 plus 10, 26 plus 2, 28 plus 0.01 21, 0.21. So answer is 28.21. Clear? So this was about question number 2. See what I did? I used the formula f of x plus delta x equal to fx plus delta x f dash x. So I need to find out what is x, delta x and f dash x. I found out first f dash x as 2 and delta x as 0.01. And just using the formula and putting the value, I got the answer 28.21. Here, so note down question number 2. Question number 3, that's similar to 2, so I'm giving you for you to solve by yourself. Okay, now let's move to the next one. Question number 4, find the approximate change in volume V of a cube of side x meter caused by increasing in the side by 1%. Okay, now see the side is increasing by 1%. So I will write it down, delta L, that is equal to 1% of L, that is equal to, when you want to remove percentage, divided by 100. So delta L is 1 by 100 L. Now it's a cube, sorry, it's side x, so instead of L I will use the symbol x. Now you need to find out the approximate change in volume V. So what is the formula for V? Volume of a cube, that is 6L square. Clear? So to find out the approximate change, delta V will be equal to dV by dx. We will differentiate with respect to x because the side is increasing, into delta x. So now what is the, sorry, okay, so sorry, the volume is L cube. That was the formula for surface area of a cube. So volume is L cube, so dV by dl, that will be equal to 3L square. Okay, so now putting this value, delta V will be equal to, sorry, again I made a mistake, it's x cube. I used to take symbol x. 3x square, so delta V will be equal to 3x square into delta x. So now 3x square. Now what is delta x? 1 by 100 into x. Okay, now x cube into x. What is that? Sorry, x square into x, that is x cube. And what is x cube? That is the volume. And 3 by 100, that means 3 percentage at x cube v. That means increase in volume is equal to 3 percentage. You can see here, see x cube is volume, so 3 percentage of v. Okay, so the increase in volume is 3 percentage. Clear? This was about question number 4. I'm repeating what I took. The side is increasing by 1%, so delta x 1% of x, that is 1 by 100x. You have to find out the change in volume. So volume v equal to x cube. So dv by dx 3x square. Now formula delta v equal to dv by dx into delta x. Putting that volume value, I got 3 by 100 x cube. 3 by 100 is 3 percentage. So it's 3 percentage of the volume is increased. Okay. So note down question number 4. Now let's move to the next one. Sorry, in this question 4, you can also write it down in this way. See, this will be equal to 0.03 x cube. So you can also write down that change in volume is equal to 0.03 x cube. Okay. Question number 5. Find the approximate change in surface area of a cube of side x meters caused by decreasing the side by 1 percentage. Okay, it's just similar. The only change is here you have to find out the change in the surface area. Okay, so now delta x, that is 1 percentage of x, that means 1 by 100 of x, right? You have to find out the change in surface area. So delta S will be equal to ds now with respect to dx into delta x. The formula for surface area of a cube is 6L square. So ds by, sorry, I will write down x because the side given here is x. ds by dx is equal to 12x. Okay, so let's put it here. This will be equal to 12x into delta x 1 by 100x. This will be equal to 12 by 100x square. So you can write down that it decreases by 12 percentage of its surface area, or 0.12x square. So approximate change, I will say decrease, instead of change I will say decrease, in surface area is 0.12x square. Clear? So this was about question number 5. So just note it down. Or else you can also write down that the change is minus 0.12x square, because here 1% decrease, so I can take minus. I need to write a minus, minus, and minus. So if you are using that it is decreasing, then by 0.12x square, the change, that is minus 0.12x square. Now let's move to the next, that is question number 6. If the radius of a sphere is measured as 7 meter, means r is equal to 7 meter, with an error of 0.02 meter, means error in radius delta r 0.02 meter. Find the approximate error in calculating the volume. So what is our shortcut we'll use? Delta v will be equal to dv by dr into delta r. What is the formula for radius, volume of a sphere? 4 by 3 pi r cube. So differentiate. Now we need to differentiate with respect to r because the error is in radius. So differentiating with respect to r, dv by dr is equal to 4 by 3 pi. Derivative of r cube, that is 3r square. 3 3 gets cancelled, so this is 4 pi r square. Putting this in the formula, delta v equal to dv by dr into delta r, dv by dr, that is 4 pi r square into delta r 0.02. This will be 4 pi r square. What is r? 7. 7 square, that is 49 into 4 into 0.02. Let's calculate. So it will be 4 into 7 square, that is 49 into 0.02, that is 3.92 pi. So the approximate error in calculating volume will be equal to 3.92 pi meter cube. Okay, note down question number 6. Now let's move to the next one, that is question number 7. Question number 7, if the radius of a sphere is measured as 9 meter with an error of 0.03 meter, then find the approximate error in calculating its surface area. Okay, so the radius 9 meter, error in radius 0.03 meter. You need to find out the approximate error in calculating its surface area. The formula for surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. So differentiating with respect to r, I will get 8 pi r. So the error in surface area, that will be equal to ds by dr into delta r. So this will be equal to 8 pi r into 0.03. Let's put the value of r, that is 9. Let's calculate now. 8 into 9 into 0.03, that is 2.16 pi. Okay, so the change approximate error in calculating surface area is equal to 2.16 pi. This was about question number 7. Just note it down. Now let's move to the next question. Question number 8 and 9 both are MCQ. In question number 8 it is given fx equal to 3x square plus 15x plus 5. You have to find out the value of f of 3.02. Fx equal to 3x square plus 15x plus 5. F dash x 6x plus 15. So f of 3.02 is equal to f of 3 plus 0.02. This is x, this is delta x. So this will be equal to, we will use the formula fx plus delta x into f dash x. So f of 3 plus 0.02 into f dash 3. F of 3, 3 into 3 square, that is 9. Let's add on directly 27 plus 15 into 3, that is 45. plus 5 plus 0.02 into f dash 3. 6 into 3, 18 plus 15. Solving it here, 45 plus 5, 50, 50 plus 27, that is 77 plus 0.02. 18 plus 15, that is equal to 33. So this will be 77 plus 0.66. So answer is 77.66. So option D is the correct one. Here, so this was about question number 8. Now let's see question number 9. Approximate change in the volume of a cube of side x meters caused by increasing the side 3%. So delta x side side is increased by 3%. That means 3 by 100x. You need to find out the approximate change in volume. Volume of a cube, that is x cube. So dv by dt, that will be equal to 3x square. So approximate change in volume will be dv by dx into delta x. What is dv by dx? 3x square. Okay. And what is delta x? That is equal to 3 by 100 x. So this will be equal to 3 into 3, 9 by 100 x cube. So this will be 0.09 x cube. So the correct answer is C. Clear? So this was about question number 8 and 9. So just note it down. Now let's see some extra questions based on exercise 6.4. Find the value of sec inverse minus 1.99. Now this is the question. So now see how to find out. Now inverse in sec inverse, when there is a minus sign, then what we are doing, it will be equal to pi minus sec inverse 1.99. Clear? So now let's select sec inverse 1.99 as our function. Okay, let's take fx is equal to sec inverse x. So now what will be f dash x? Derivation of sec inverse x is 1 upon x under root of x square minus 1. Now we need to find out sec inverse 1.99, right? That means sec inverse 1.99, that will be equal to sec inverse 2 minus 0.01. So we will find it out, f of 2 minus 0.01. So this is our x and this is our delta x, right? So sec inverse 1.99 we can write down in this way. So what was our formula? Fx plus delta x. Now delta x is minus 0.01. So minus 0.01 f dash x. Okay, or let's write down here delta x into f dash x plus. Now f of 2 minus 0.01 f dash 2. Now what is fx? Sec inverse x. So this is sec inverse 2 minus 0.01 f dash 2, that means it is equal to 1 upon 2 square root of, we will use this function, 2 square minus 1 means 2 square 4, 4 minus 1 3. So sec inverse 2 we will get it as pi by 3, because sec pi by 3, that is equal to 2 minus 0.01 upon 2 by root 3. Now 0.01 I can write it down as 1 upon 100. So this will be equal to pi by 3 minus 1 upon 2 into 100, that is 200 root 3. So this is the value of sec inverse 1.99. But what we need to find out? We need to find out sec inverse minus 1.99. So this was equal to pi minus sec inverse 1.99. So pi minus, what was sec inverse 1.99? Pi by 3 minus 1 upon 200 root 3. So this is equal to pi minus pi by 3 minus minus plus 1 upon 200 root 3. So pi minus pi by 3, that will be equal to 2 pi by 3. So 2 pi by 3 plus 1 upon 200 root 3. This is our answer. Clear? So sec inverse minus 1.99. This is equal to 2 pi by 3 plus 1 by 200 root 3. Just note down this extra question.